Oukitel is launching globally the latest and upgraded version of the WP20 series, the Oukitel WP20 Pro rugged smartphone. The phone will be launched for a discounted price of $109 under the global premiere sale on AliExpress. The sale starts on August 22nd and ends on August 26, 2022. Oukitel WP20 Pro has adopted the best features and functions of its predecessor, the WP20, but comes with various upgrades and exciting new functions. Similar to its predecessor, the phone features a lightweight body, large capacity battery, and huge display. However, the Pro version comes with bigger storage space and remarkable hardware. Developed to survive the harsh and extreme outdoors, the phone comes with IP6869K rating and the latest MIL STD810H certification, which makes it resistant to water and dust. It can withstand a drop from the height of 1.5 meters and work even under high temperature and pressure. Weighing just 297 grams, the phone features a hand-holding sunken rear appearance, making it lightweight and comfortable to use. The highlight feature of the phone is its powerful 6300 mAh battery that can sustain your phone for days in the wild. It gives you 550 hours of standby, 55 hours of calling time, and 60 hours of playback, and comes with an OTG function that helps you to charge other electronic devices. Thus the phone can be easily converted into a mini power bank as and when required. Oukitel WP20 Pro features a 20 megapixels rear and 5 megapixels front camera that gives you crisp and clear photos. It comes with a 5.93-inch HD+ display, 18 by 9 aspect ratio, and 720 by 1440p resolution. Powered by MediaTek Helio A22 processor, it comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM. Other features include NFC, a fingerprint sensor, and the latest Android 12 OS. Oukitel WP20 Pro comes in two colors, Calm Black and Eco Green. The smartphone will be available at a discounted price of $109, only on AliExpress. Please note that the deal ends on August 26, 2022. To know more about the device, check out the official website. I am very glad that you watched this video. What do you think about the new rugged smartphone? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and see you soon.